So hello guys, today I am going to show you a quick walkthrough of the FitBit mobile application. The FitBit app is also available on iOS, Android, Windows, PC, Mac, and the web. So I'm going to show you what the application offers. Firstly, the FitBit app is connected to your Fitbit watch. If you have one, you need to have this app. There are different kinds of Fitbit watch available on the store. For me, I have the Fitbit Alta. The Fitbit watch records your every step for every day because it's important to take at least 10,000 steps for every day. That's what they say. So here's the home screen of the app. You choose the number of steps, calories, your active minutes, total distance you walk. For me, I have it in kilometers. So you can also see your workout information here. You can set this up if you want to work out for 5 or 4 days in a week. For me, I set it for 5 days. Here you can record your workout if you're going for a run, walk, or hike. There's also a GPS tracker and stuff. It can locate your location. It can track your location. So I'm gonna show you an example of my past workout. And pace, and the total calories burned, and then the total steps you take during that workout. Go back to the home screen. You can also see your sleep data here. Your Fitbit watch can also detect if you are sleeping, which is pretty cool. You can see here how you did. If you hit your goal, you can set that. For me, I set it for 8 hours. This 8 hours for every day, so I haven't wearing my watch for the past couple of days. That's why there's no record here. But I'm gonna show an example. If you hit your goal, there's gonna be a star. You're gonna get a star like that, and then here it shows you the total hours you slept, and then what time did you awake, and then what time did you sleep, and then the restless times. Let's go back to the home screen. So there's also this move reminder. This hourly active metric gives you a goal, and your watch notifies you to at least take a step, 250 steps every single hour in 9 hours. So every single hour your watch notifies you if you haven't taken that 250 steps yet. So it's pretty good. So it will show you how many hours you complete, how many hours you take 250 steps. So this I have 4 hours over 9 hours, so that's like 1000 steps in 9 hours. So there's also the water intake. Did you know that we need 2050 milligrams of water every day? So you can also log your water intake here manually. If you take a cup or a bottle, you can also set your goal. For me, I have it on 4,000 milligrams at least. So if you hit your goal, you're gonna get a star. And then there's also this dietary information. If you want to just balance the food you eat and the calories you intake. So here, let's add manually. Custom, let's say we eat salad for we ate salad for breakfast, and then with 300 calories and 150 calories from fat. Let's save this, and let's say we ate that during dinner, and then the date, then log this. So here it will show you that during dinner you ate salad, and then during breakfast, and then the total calories. And then there's also this weight data. You can log your weight here manually. Like if you're going to log your weight once a week, you can see if there's an improvement, if you're gaining or losing. So there's also this female health tracking and trends for the females. So let's go back to the steps. So the steps, it's very similar to the distance, your active minutes, burnt calories. You can see how you did over the last couple of days. If you achieve your goal, as I say, you're gonna get a star. You can also set your goal for me, I set it for 8,000 steps, at least 8,000 steps every day. So you can also set yours if you like 12,000 steps or 5,000 steps. And then let's go to the settings. So here you can see all the information about the device, and you can adjust the settings like the notification if you want the watch to notify you if someone's calling you, or if someone's sent you a message, your watch will vibrate and it will display if if someone's calling or if someone sent a text message. You can also set your alarm. So I have a 5:15 a.m. So if during this time your watch will vibrate, and it will only be turned off if you press your watch or tap it. So let's go back to the home screen. And so basically all that health stuff is here. This app is very convenient, especially to those who like to be healthy, who have a healthy lifestyle, or those who are always active. And as you can see, the display is very simple, nice layout, which I like. So that's it, guys. Thank you for